In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do checklist in Slack without a third-party app. We're using Slack's built-in Canvas feature, which lets you create living documents right inside any channel or direct message. This is perfect for tracking tasks where the conversations are already happening, and it keeps everything searchable and shared with the right people automatically. Start by opening Slack and heading to the channel or DM where you want your checklist to live. Think about who needs to see and edit it. A team channel is great for shared work, while a DM or a private channel is better for personal or sensitive lists. Wherever you create the canvas, it will inherit that space's visibility and permissions. At the top of the conversation, look for the option to add a canvas. Click Add Canvas to attach a document to this space. This keeps your checklist just one click away from the chat, so your tasks and discussions stay connected. When the Canvas window opens, choose New Blank Canvas. Templates can be helpful in other cases, but for a clean to-do list, a blank canvas gives you full control and keeps things simple. Give your canvas a clear, descriptive title. Something like Team To-Do, Sprint Tasks, or Personal Checklist works well. Good titles make it easier for your teammates and future you to find and understand the document at a glance. Don't worry, you can rename it later if your needs change. Click into the main body area of the canvas to start editing. You'll see a blinking cursor indicating you're ready to add content. Type a / followed by the word checklist. The slash opens the Canvas insert menu, and typing checklist filters the options. This is the quickest way to pull in the right block without hunting through menus. From the suggestions that appear, click on Checklist. Slack will drop a checklist block into your canvas with an empty item ready for you to fill in. Now you can type your first task and press Enter to add the next one. Click the checkbox to mark items complete as you go. You can drag tasks up or down to reorder them, and if you need to add context, paste links or include short notes right under an item to keep details in one place. Canvas saves automatically so you won't lose progress, and anyone with access to the channel or DM can view or contribute based on their permissions. That's all you need to spin up a clean, native to-do list in Slack. No extra apps, no switching tools, just a focused checklist exactly where your work happens.